starting now. We're gonna do this fast. Alright? So, aside from the difficulty level, you should be able to determine the discrimination index. Okay, this is going to be easy because it's probably just the same but of different, I don't know, different concept. When we talk about discrimination, okay, let me get back to that definition. We are trying to measure an item's ability to discriminate between those who scored high on the total test and those who scored low. Again, discrimination may not be a very good term, no? We do not want to discriminate people. But in this item, in the test, it's nice that you are able, or this test item is able to discriminate people. Meaning, dapat layo ang diferensya from top and bottom. Then this item has that power. Alright? So therefore, what's the formula for computing for the discrimination index? Say, number of correct responses from the higher group minus number of correct responses from our lower group divided by number of exact criterion group, members in the criterion group. So what's the difference between this and the difficulty index? There's no 2. And discrimination from that word should tell you it's minus. Alright? So let's get back to that. And then we'll go to our demo. So discrimination is a D. Alright? And so a D for each. We go, what? High? High minus low. And then, the high is BZ3 and BZ15, correct? So I'm going to say high. What's high? 11, no? No, not BZ3. It's there already. Then we go minus 6. It has to be, okay, so put a parenthesis, divided by 13, not 49, alright? You have 0.38, and then you drag that until 75 item, the rest, if there are 75 items, of course. And then we go interpretation. Let's try to do an interpretation, no? D interpretation, let's try. What do you think is the ability of the test? Look at first number 1, guys. What's the ability of this test? Do you think it discriminates the high group and low group? Look at 11 and 6. Di masyado. How about number 3?
Yes.
Do you think it discriminates?
Yes.
Or the high group and the low group more likely have the same. No? And you know what's the problem with this item? The low group, many of them, more of them. This item is a problem. No? Sige. Let's go to number 4. Was it able to discriminate? Look at your 4. Really?
No.
Ano kaya ang look at number 6. This one. Meaning, there has to be a great difference. Claro? But of course, we will do that using our interpretation. Look at your PowerPoint. Okay, so how are we going to interpret? Pag 0.40, very good item. Blah, 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 blah. If it's below 0.2, poor item. You have to reject this item. The next time you do and conduct a test of this same subject or course, delete this item. Okay? And if it's 0.20 to 0.29, get back to this item and improve it. Okay? So let's do that a bit. We'll do a few items muna. So how about number 1 item?
Reasonably good.
Ha? Ano? Reasonably good item. You can say that, no? Next. Reasonably good item. What did you say about number 3? Poor item. Next time you reject that, no? How about number 4? Reasonably good item. How about number 5?
Reject, ma'am.
Poor item din?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Parang okay naman yun, pero, di ba, it's easy.
Yes.
Right? But if you notice, it's poor. Meaning that in terms of discriminating or discrimination power, this item does not have that power. Alright? Oo. Parang, between the low and the high, this item cannot discriminate the groups. Okay? So, how about you said kanina, number 6. Very good item. Clear? Okay. Oo, mga ganun, no? Okay, let's try. In the entire test, what do you think? So, what do we say? With a D average. C. No? So, anong gagawin natin? Average of the entire test. Okay, we'll go until the number 75. No? Number 75. Okay. And your point 29.
Improve. Subject to improvement. Marginal item.
Oo. At the marginal item, very near to what? Pag point 3 na. To reasonably good item already. No, meaning, I have to review this test. Kasi, it cannot really separate my good from my not very good. Right? My item should have that power. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, that's it. Therefore, your test or your task will be this. No? So, it's already on Facebook. That would be your task. This time, you go like this. No? So, until task 3. Okay? So, there's a high group, low group, like that, like that. And there's already the formula there. And then there. So, good luck. I'm sure you're not gonna miss me very much, no? While I'm not here. Right? Okay.